Okay, this is a tutorial on how to write a very easy Python program. Yeah, uh, and we are using Spider. It's an IDE for writing Python programs. Yeah, you can just check it on Google, see it, and download it there straight. This is the homepage. In case if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, I would you just check the link in the bio. You see the link there, download it from there. So after downloading it, just type download and install it. Type your spider, type spider in the search bar, and you see the program icon. You open it from there. But I don't want you to use this so let's just start from it. Okay, if you open it at first, if you do not have any programs, any saved or previous programs that you have written, you will not see any of these tabs. You will not see any of these tabs. Okay, yeah, you see one that will be written or titled. So this way it starts. This area is okay, this is the help area. If you want some help, okay, read our tutorial, but I don't need that. So this will be working with a console and this area. These are large area here. So this other area is for the history, all the logs that have been going on in the IDE so far. So it will just be recording the history. I think if you get to somewhere it would no record. I don't know, sure. I've not actually checked. It will just keep recording the history, but I know I've done more than this, so this should not be everything. Anyways, we don't really need it. So this is where we need this area and this area. These two areas are for writing codes, right? But this area, this particular area, if you write codes in this area, it will you can save the code and retrieve it later in this area. But if you write a code in this area, you will not be able to store it, you will not be able to save it. It's just used to test codes, but the codes are good. If the codes are correct, rather, sorry, if the codes are correct. So if you test your code in this area, you can now write it in this area, save after saving it, run it. And whenever you run your code in this area, it will be displayed in this other area. Okay, so that's how it works. So for the basic program, I think we'll just be declaring one variable, and that variable will contain hello world. Yeah, that's where programming starts from, hello world. Every program that I've written, every program I've written, the first time I wrote them, it's hello world I started with. So even for this, so let's start by writing a code here. So I just come and say this variable called head is equals to, in brackets, hello world, right? Okay, enter. You can see that these are history, is recording everything. So you just see it now. A variable called head, a variable called head has a string value called hello world in it. If you come to this variable explorer, you see it. Hello, right? Hello world. Type string, size 1. I don't know, maybe it's 1 byte or 1 bit. I don't know. So if you come back to this console and you use the print function to say print head, right? Enter. So it will print what is in this variable name, which is hello world. So if you change it, you cannot alter it. You cannot go back and alter it from it. You can only continue. So if you say head equal to hello Africa, yeah, press your enter. Sorry, not this. Oh, sorry, you cannot change it from here. You cannot check it from here. Anyways, let's just jump straight to the code. So this is the main part. This is what we'll be using. So let's now declare a variable. Okay, we have declared that variable already. Okay, here equal to hello Africa, right? Then you say print, use the print function, print in brackets here, right? If you run the program, it will ask you to save it first. So you just locate wherever you want to save it. So I'll be saving it in my folder. I'll create a new folder called tutorial. Tutorial is a new folder. No, I did not create a new folder. I saved it inside the folder called tutorial. Sorry, I saved it to the name called tutorial on the desktop. But anyways, let's continue. So hello Africa. Run it again. Hello Africa. You can see that it has changed here. Hello Africa. Variable Explorer has changed the variable content to Hello Africa. Yeah, you can still come here and change it. Hello me. Hello me. Now this variable, it will not display, right? This name or the output of this variable will not be displayed if you do not use this print function. If you don't use the print function, so you need this function to display the variable. You need this function to display what is in that variable. If you clean it now and run it, it will not do anything. Run it again, it will not do anything. So you need that function, Control Z. So you can as well skip the declaring of the variable and just come straight to the print function and type what you want, which is hello Mozambique, right? Print hello Mozambique, hello Zimbabwe. I hope I'm right. Sorry, I don't know how to spell Zimbabwe. Hello Zimbabwe. Yeah. So that's the basic of it. So let's just say equal to. Now in declaring string variables, make sure you put them inside a double quotation. Put the strings inside a double quotation. If you don't put them inside a double quotation, it will not work. Although I've not really tried it, but I know declaring of string variables has to be inside double quotation. Variables that you don't need quotation for are maybe integer or floating numeric variables. But when it comes to string variables, put them inside quotation. I think if it run it like, it might give an error. Let's try it. Let's try it. You can see it's already giving us an error. Invalid syntax. So Control Z, yeah, to let you know that it's, if you run it, it will not work. So let's see here. Yeah. So now let's now add something. Let's add another variable which is name. King. So now you just add comma and you add name. Okay. Okay. Now let's run it and see something. Hello Mozambique, I am king. Right. So that's how you write a very simple Python program. That's how you write a very simple Python program. Now you can decide to separate this in. By default, it is separated by space. I can decide not to separate it. I can decide for them to be together. I'll just add. Should I call it a function or what? I'll just add